How to use Google Authenticator with Binance. If any day any of you are the Binance user and you would like to just secure your very Binance by using the Google Authenticator, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, in the search icon on your mobile device, you have to search Binance out there. After you search Binance out there and find Binance, you have to tap on that. After you tap on that, Binance will be launched on your very mobile device. After Binance is launched on your very mobile device, you have to wait for a while. You have to log in. In order to do that, you have to tap on which type of user as you are. You can be a crypto novice or just experienced user. If you're a crypto novice, you can tap on the option of the crypto novice like this. If you're an experienced user, you can tap on the experienced user. However, you have to just log in to your very Binance account out there. But if any day you are not logged into your Binance account, you have to sign into the Binance. You also need to tap on your email or the phone number here. You can also go to the option of continue with the Google and tap onto the Binance or welcome to the Binance or just log into the Binance with the help of any of your Google account as well. After tapping on the very Google account, you have to tap on any of your Google account like this. And after you tap on any of your Google account like this, now you have to wait for a while until the next interface appears. Now after waiting for a while, it can see that the info checking will be done because at first it has to check the very info of your Gmail account out there. Sometimes the very like this next option will also see in order to verify that the right email is yours. It will also say you to tap on your password here. You have to tap in your password and go to the option of next here. And after you go to the option of next and after you open the very Binance here, now what you have to do is now you have to just add it to the very Google Authenticator on your very mobile device by going to the option of the security on the Binance. And after tapping on the option of security on your Binance and by linking it to your Google Authenticator, your very problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.